We have PKD Nambiar live with us on the broadcast. Sir, of course, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the rally today, and he has focused mainly on the development projects. So, what do you have to say about his speech at Kedarnath today?
If you really look at from the point of view of Kedarnath or Ayodhya or Kashi Vishwanath, it is not one such kind of a program Prime Minister Modi has initiated in the last 7 years. One by one, all the spiritual integration or otherwise cultural integration, that has been the national identity of this country. It is not from today or yesterday. It's been a 5,000-year-old history is there, which he is trying to regain that history into the future generations. I think whatever Mr. Modi is doing, the generations will be thanking him forever. Because we all know that Char Dham Yatra was very important, but none of the governments and the successive governments in the last 60 years have never been given that kind of an importance that they need to be protected. They need to be given that kind of the spiritual tourist, you can call it, whether you the spiritual people who are going for the spiritual invocation have never been given that kind of a facilities to all these places, whether it is a 5,000-year-old Kashi Vishwanath temple or to any other places. So from down south, from Rameshwaram to Kedarnath, there is some kind of a spiritual renaissance kind of a movement which is taking place. And I think no prime minister in the country till today have never shown the guts, I repeat the word guts, to be very vocal and very lead from the front in this kind of a way, never ever. So I would say whatever Mr. Modi is doing with regard to the cultural integration of this country, because if you really look at our history, that the temples have played a major role in uniting us and staying together. We have never been just on some kind of a narration. Some of these so-called left historians have created that we have been invented by the Mughals and we were born only because of the Britishers. So I think we need to go back to our real history, and one of the very best way to go back to our history and to instill the spirit of the Indian एक भारतीय होने का जो गर्व आज महसूस हो रहा है. The reason being that our temples have been the backbone of our culture. Our temples have been the backbone of our economy once upon a time. If you really recall, almost all Malapart and everything will agree that we had a temple economy in our country that has been the temples have been the backbone of our culture, economy, and overall even the education as a whole. So I think